Hello, everybody. Thomas575 here, and welcome to 2025. And if you read the title, then that means it's time for another update. So, with that said, let's go ahead and get started. So, I guess to start off, my review for Sonic the Hedgehog 3 will be coming out this Friday. So, yep. I said this like a while back in one of my shorts when I got out of the theater after seeing Sonic the Hedgehog 3 that 2 weeks later I would have my review for the movie up. And I'm happy to say that it will be coming out this Friday. You don't have to wait. There will be no delays. It will be coming out, okay? So don't worry about that. It will be coming out. So, anyways, I guess next up, I should bring up that I'm also making another review video. This and that one will be on one of the Super Mario Brothers spin-off games. That being Mario and Luigi Brothership, which I think, in my opinion, has the potential of actually being a mainline Super Mario Brothers game, but the people over at Nintendo are a bunch of wusses and don't know whether or not this should be a mainline or spin-off game, because, of course, for most mainline Super Mario Brothers games, it's basically almost the exact same plots over and over again. Of course, I only know about the first 5 mainline Super Mario Brothers games, that being Super Mario Brothers, Super Mario Brothers 2, Super Mario Land, Super Mario Brothers 3, and then Super Mario World, and then Super Mario Brothers Wonder. So I only know 6 out of the 18 mainline games I think there are, but I've been hearing that most of the mainline games have the exact same plot, so yeah, so my review for Mario and Luigi Brothership will be coming out later this month, so you don't have to waste, or, well, actually, no, I should say, I won't waste any time on getting this done. I will try to get that done as soon as possible, but it's just that I am so incredibly busy with a lot of stuff that I'm working on that a lot of it takes a bit longer. Okay, so I guess the next thing I should talk about would be the new direction that Just Facts with Henry and Schnauzer has been going with. Well, now it's called Just Facts with Schnauzer and V, with my dad, Richard, voicing the character. Now, I don't know whether you guys like this new direction or hate it. Considering the fact that barely anyone has been commenting on my videos. Yeah, I don't know why you guys haven't been commenting. I don't know whether or not you guys can't comment on my videos or something. I mean, if you guys have trouble commenting or have problems figuring out what to say, I mean, that's completely fine. It's I would usually get at least 1 or 2 comments at the most, but I mean, I'm now at 210 subscribers, and I haven't been seeing any comments on my videos as of late. So, yeah, but anyways, the new direction for Just Facts with Henry and Schnauzer is now called Just Facts with Schnauzer and V. And the reason why I've decided to take that new direction is because of real life personal reasons. I'm not going to go into depth with it, but that's kind of why. I don't know whether or not this will be a temporary or a permanent change, but you'll have to wait and see, because I don't know what'll happen. Okay, and this here is probably the biggest update I should mention, and that would be the fact my story prediction for Bendy and the Ink Machine. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys know about the Bendy series, but it's basically an indie video game series like Five Nights at Freddy's. Well, an indie horror game series, I should say, like Five Nights at Freddy's. But in any case, that project or that story prediction video I'm doing for that movie is actually going to take a bit longer than usual, considering the fact that this movie isn't a sequel. And the story prediction videos I've been doing so far have been for sequels for video game movies. And this will be the first time I actually do a story prediction video that isn't a sequel to a video game movie. So this will take a lot longer than expected, but I will get that done. I will try and get that done. I At the very most, it should come out in November, but if at that time the movie has a teaser or something, I don't know whether or not I should drop my story prediction, but at the latest, it should come out in November at the latest. Okay, so I'm trying to get that done. It's just really hard to come up with a good story for that, or what the story could be for that movie, considering that the Bendy series is kind of the most complex video game series out there. So yeah. All right. And lastly, this will be the biggest announcement that I will be making, and that is the fact that I'll be making something special. I will be making something really special for you guys. But there's a catch. I need this channel to reach 500 subscribers by the end of this year. If this channel does not reach 500 subscribers by the end of the year, you guys will not get the surprise I'm working on, or this surprise I have planned. So if you're new here, then go ahead and subscribe if you actually want to see the big surprise I have planned. So yeah, and go ahead and like this video if of course you like this update for whatever reason. And share this video with others that you know, and spread the word, and also get them to subscribe. Otherwise, you won't get your 500 subscribers surprise. But actually, I should clarify. If I do reach 500 subscribers past the end of this year, I will still be doing some special videos for that occasion, but but there is one thing that I have planned. If I reach 500 subscribers by the end of this year. So yeah, but like I said, if this channel doesn't reach 500 subscribers, you won't get that special part. So yeah, this is Thomas575. I really need, and yeah, I really need to work on how to end my videos. Okay, bye.